everyone, today I want to talk about engineering and how it helps our community. Engineering is important because it helps us build better place. First, engineers design school, hospital, and homes. These buildings help us learn and stay healthy. Next, engineers build roads and bridges. They help us travel safely to school and visit friends. Engineers also give us clean water and electricity. This makes cooking and studying easier. They help protect nature by keeping our air and water clean. This is good for our health. Finally, engineering create new technology like robots and computers. This makes learning fun. In conclusion, engineering helps our community in many ways. Let's appreciate engineers for making our life better.